Dear friends, greetings from Wisconsin. Some years back, I had a funeral of one mentally and physically challenged young man. He was 18 years old. At the age of his 18, he died. After the funeral, I met his mother. And his mother was so much upset. She was telling about the story of the life of that young man. She was the first son of that mother. When he was born, that mother was very much upset. But she loved him very much. So she resigned her job. She was in a high position in the government office. She resigned her job and she started to take care of that child. But she told me the coming of this child brought a lot of blessings in my life. My husband was not doing good work, started to take life as a challenge, and he went for high works and earned a lot of money. After him, I got 2 more children. They are happy children, they are good children, not affected by anything. They started to love their elder brother. And my pride has gone completely because of him. Now I feel empty. God has taken him. I feel empty of life. I do not know what to do. That is a beautiful conversation the mother had with me. Dear friends, we have to accept the life situations. The problem is we are not accepting what is given to us. Why this happened to me? That's a question of many people. Why I am in this situation? Why God has created me like this? Why God has put me in this tough situation? That is a question of so many people. We have to accept the reality. If we accept the reality, most of the problems would have gone. God has created us for a particular purpose. God is giving enough for us. We have to accept God. Bible speaks beautifully about faith. Faith is the acceptance of God. We all know Paul Tillich. These are the words of Paul Tillich, a theologian. Faith is the acceptance of God. God has accepted us. God wants to do wonders through our life. And He has accepted us. We have to accept His acceptance. We should have the courage to do that. We see that the life of Jesus. He was born in a particular situation. He accepted the situation first. And he experienced the acceptance of God the Father, the unconditional love of God the Father, that made him to be creative. And he wanted to do something to the Lord who has accepted him unconditionally. That was his ministry. When he started his ministry, he was doing wonderful. And people were coming to him. He did a lot of miracles. His preachings were great. And his way of ministry was wonderful. But in the course of time, people started to reject him. People started to kill him. People started to plot against him in so many ways. but he accepted that situations also. He accepted that situations as the will of God, and he was very strong in doing the will of God in his life. Finally, he accepted crucifixion, and he found fulfillment in that great event of crucifixion and that brought resurrection. Dear friends, let us accept our own situations. Let us accept the acceptance of God. God has tremendous plan for us. God has tremendous favors for us. He is blessing us in all our ways. Let us accept God. Let us accept the God of Bible. And He is wonderful, and He leads us always to great life. Thank you.